Hi, I'm Dani Bucholtz, and in this video, I am going to talk to you about how you can use Chat GPT AI, artificial intelligence, to help you streamline your real estate marketing. This is a game changer. I'm going to show you how to use it. And I'm going to show you why you should use it. Now, this is not the first AI platform that I've used. I've tried other ones, and I just wasn't super impressed. I know that the AI software can take some time getting used to how you write, your writing style, but I just wasn't finding that it was that solid. So I was paying $100 a month for another platform that I dropped off of about a month ago when I found this new technology. And there is a free version right now, but I did notice this afternoon that there's also a paid version now, and it is $20 a month. So I subscribed to that because it said that it would be faster and I wouldn't have any downtime. But it's well worth the $20 a month. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So it's chat.openai.com. And what I do is I just come up to the top and I click on New Chat. And it opens up this window. And it gives you some examples, capabilities, and limitations. But what I want to tell it to do is write a script to call for sale by owners. And I'm just going to hit enter. And what it's doing now is it's going and it's accessing the internet, YouTube, different platforms, so that it can pull most current and recent information, and you can see that it's super quick. So it's giving me some information. I'm just going to let it go ahead and finish generating. All right, and if I want to tell it, make it persuasive, I can add that. And it'll go through and it'll do its thing. Then what you can do is you can take that and use that to make phone calls, etc. I'm actually going to stop this one because the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over and I'm going to say, write a 2,500, let's just go with, write a 1,000-word blog on how rising interest rates are affecting the real estate market. Hit enter. And wait for it. Now, the difference between this platform and the other platform that I paid quite a bit more for is this one is spot on. Now, you still have to read it. You can't just run it through the AI generator and then copy it into a blog post and post it on the internet. You still need to go through it and make sure it's accurate. But I've been playing with this for a month now, and this is spot on. So if I want to tell it at this point when it's done, to give it another command, it will continue to create more information, more content. Okay. So then it labels it with the first sentence in what I put up at the top. So rising interest rates. So it saves it, so I don't have to save it. Now, if I want to come back and I want to say, write a blog on why sellers should consider, on why homeowners should consider selling now as opposed to waiting. Hit enter. and it will come through and it's going to generate that. All right, so you can post this on the blog tab on your website. You can post this just as a regular blog. You can post this pretty much anywhere you want. But if you are in the real estate market, you should already be creating content. And I know one of the problems that I myself had was coming up with different ideas, right? So even if you don't like the content on this, but I love this for the content, you can use it for ideas, and you can come back and then use those ideas to create different content that you write. Now I can come in here and I can say, write a YouTube script for people that need to downsize their home and move into a retirement community. All right, so if I want to do a video on this particular topic, I can actually have this software come up with a script for me. If you create your own lead magnets, this is stuff you can use for lead magnets, things like that. This is an absolute game changer. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and let this finish. All right, and then I'm going to say, write 5 more tips. And just let it do its thing. Now, one thing that you need to know is this is not software that is simply going out to the internet and copying other people's content, because that would be plagiarism, and you shouldn't do that either. But what this is doing is it's going out and looking at the internet for popular information on whatever I tell it I'm looking for. So in this particular case, it was looking for information on downsizing and moving to a retirement community. All right, so now maybe I want to say, write an outline for a, let's see here, 10-point outline for first-time home buyers on tips for first-time home buyers in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm going to be specific and go local. And you can see it's pretty extensive. Now you can take this information that is written for you in just a matter of seconds, and you can plop this into your blog posts, your articles, your create YouTube videos, whatever it is that you need to do, put it on your website. But it's super simple. And as I said, this is the best AI software that I have used to date. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe before you leave. Make it a great day.